Hello, traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Pattaya, Thailand, and sunny skies. Looking good out there. Yeah, I can't remember what my phone. I think my phone said 92 today. Again, they forgot it's winter. Somebody made a mistake up there. Knock on the door. Remind them it's winter. Wow, it's been hot, folks. It has been really brutally hot. Nighttime's beautiful. Sun goes down, absolutely gorgeous. Sat out on the balcony last night. Beautiful view, cigar, nice, very nice. Anyhow, we're back at the trading desk. It's a Monday. Way too many days off, but I will tell you, I have to be honest with you, I did work every day this weekend. It was a working holiday for sure, absolutely. As you know, I'm doing some writing, and I spent a lot of time doing that this weekend, and really good stuff. But yeah, it was a working holiday weekend. I was working. I will tell you that I did exit the premises on Saturday night. Went out, had a great time, and of course, Thanksgiving was a great evening also. Out with friends and just had a really we had a blast. It was a good time. All right, back at it though. Back at the trading desk. So I did peek at my charts on Friday, and I meant the word peak. I didn't look very much. I was watching this euro go down, and I turned the charts off. Yeah, I didn't want to get involved with it. No, go away. So we're back at it, full steam ahead today. So I'm just peeking around what's going on around here. Uh, some of these trades are at some really nice levels, and we'll get into that. Got some really nice levels where we can get into some of these, hopefully. And I looked at the euro. I cheated this morning. I looked at the euro, and looks like we got an up and down trade. We got double trade today. So looking at the Kiwi, we had some data come out. Core retail sales, bad number, and then retail sales quarterly versus year ago, 2.7. And I will tell you that it had a couple of up green candles, but now it's a red candle. So I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, RBA assistant governor, who cares? Okay, go home. Go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Wow, not a lot. What do we got? German business expectations today. German current assessment today. German IFO business climate index. Yeah, somebody's yakking on the microphone. Pound's got gross mortgage approvals. So the euro looks like it's gonna, I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I think Germany is the biggest economic country in in the eurozone. So that can help us out a little bit today. A lot of people speaking, and a lot of ECB people speaking. dangerous, right? Draghi's speaking today. Yeah, Draghi's speaking today. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting one. So that's really about it. Pretty slow day today. Now, really is slow day. Then not much happening out on that front. Not much going on. So let's take a look at what happened in New York. Bing. Well, I said euro's going to 50. You look at this chart, you think euro's going back down to 20. This thing don't look good at all, my friends. This thing is tanking. And I don't remember when it is, but I think there's an OPEC meeting. Didn't they just have an OPEC meeting like 2 weeks ago? Apparently it didn't work. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Dollar index is up again at 96.94, looking for 97 at least. I would think that's going to continue to the upside. No reason to go down. Gold had a little spike up there, however, it's down. Currently looking at gold at 115.77. VIX is doing all right, hanging out in the 2150 area. We can hang with that. The ES has continued to sell off. I wrote an article on the markets and why do we think these markets are doing this? Did the rate hikes basically ended up not working? Right? Did the rate hikes really end up not working? I'm a firm believer. Listen, the markets are still bullish. Don't worry about that. We're still in a bullish market. We're not in a bearish market. But this correction's, a lot of people losing some money on this correction. This correction's, I think it's lasting longer than people expected. But, we're coming up to a significant level right here, right? Coming up to a significant level right there at that 2630 area. I'd watch that. I would think that'd be an area. And if it gets down to 2620, I'd definitely be careful. I always love my 20s, my 80s, and my double zeros. So you keep an eye out on ESs, right? And you know what William says about the Euro 6E? Just keep selling it. Just keep selling it, right? Boom, came up to this level here at this 1.4880 area. 80, right? Another one of my favorite numbers, right? And then just continue to the downside for 3 days. Boom, 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 right? And here we are sitting down here. It could be a support level at this 1350 area. Might get a bounce here to the upside, but I would be looking for sell opportunities on that. That's all I got for New York. Let's get to it. Let's get to the charts. Take a look at what's going on here. Not that anybody thought that the euro was bullish, but I thought I'd put it now on the chart and let you know that the euro is bearish. Yeah, the euro is bearish. So we're sitting here at this 1335 area, 30, 35, 40 area. And I think, we have a possibility of a really scalp trade here. If this can get above this red candle at this 1241, 42 area, and we can get a scalp trade of this little bad boy right here, and we could take that little baby upwards. So yeah, we just need to clear that last candle there. And I forgot how to do this, so I won't do it now. I need to change. I don't like this cross thing. I think we're gonna get rid of this cross and go back to an arrow. So we'll get rid of that. But anyhow, I think we got an opportunity. We can scalp this to the upside. Be careful here. We're coming up to this 1360 area. You got a 55 exponential moving average. And, that's at a level, right? This is at a level right here, right? That's a support level there. Maybe not a bad idea to mark that, to be honest with you. All right, this is definitely right there. Boom, bang. So, now we're boxed in here. So just keep an eye on that. I'd be careful there. But if you can get 15, 20 pips to the upside, man, go for it. Let's see what we can do with that. But the ultimate goal is we want this price to come back up to this 200 exponential moving average, being the 1400 area, and then we will continue to sell this. Now, in theory, this all sounds great. In reality I think this is just going to continue to dribble to the downside. We're going to break this support. We're going to want to retest, and we're going to want to sell this back down to 1260. Right? So a lot of things we got going on here in this euro, but there's nothing out there that's saying, wow, the euro's going to just pick up and take off, right? The euro's going to just go, hey, let's go, I don't see that. I just don't see that at all. I think this is just going to continue to dribble on down. They got a lot of speakers out today. What did I say? Four of them are speaking today, including Draghi. So it's going to be interesting. Oh, man. I don't care what they say. I really don't. I don't care what they say. Just make sure the currency pairs keep moving up and down. This is not up and down, folks. This is a disaster, okay? Yeah, that's a disaster right there. Yeah, that's a disaster. Get rid of all that crap. What are you going to do here? What are you going to do here? Oh, my goodness. The pound. Pound had a day to Picando, apparently. Decided to sink back down again. Well, as the euro, I don't see anything that tells me that this is going to go to the upside. Maybe you can get a little clever here and try to stick that's a nice 3-touch trend line, right? Boom. Whoa, easy there, Jackson. Come on. There you go. There you go. Thank you. And, break it, retest it, and we'll just take that bad boy to the downside. Now, that's not my favorite trade. You know that, right? The only thing I like about this trade is it's got a nice wide open space. This is a wide open space. We're coming into uncharted territories here. The next thing you got to worry about is, that 2720 area where we're going to want to take profit, right? I don't think this is going to affect us very much. It's pretty far back on this 30-minute chart, so I don't think that's going to affect us very much. I think this is really a nice move to the downside. You know, you get definitely. I definitely don't see this going back up to 1280, 2880, where we're going to be able to get in this for 2900. If it does, that's great. I'm not. I wouldn't argue that case. I've got to be honest with you. This comes up to this 2920 area, somewhere in here. Boom. I'm all about it. Let's go. Let's take the ride. You're going to do this at 2860? No. No. We're not selling at 2860, right? We got too much junk here, right? Look at all this. EMAs, left of the chart, all this junk.
It's 7 hours.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning, my time. That'd be 1,900 hours on Wall Street on a Sunday night. Hey, I'm watching the Knicks. The Knicks and the Grizzlies basketball. And my Knicks are losing. Just thought I'd throw that in there for you. Yeah, in Thailand, I get all the American sports early in the morning. It's great. I love it. If this comes up to 29.20, yeah, we'll sell it. I'm not selling it down here, folks. No way. If it breaks this trend line, gives us a retest, I think that's the jewel trade for today on the old poundaroo. Yeah? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah? Mm-hmm. So the New Zealand had some stuff. Yeah, this is just not. Wow, come on, Kiwi, you're doing a good job, but yeah, now listen, this is what we want, right? The New Zealand dollar is bearish. It's been bearish for years. I mean, this is just really beautiful to the downside. How are we going to get in this is the question. I don't think this is a logical area to sell this at the 67.80 area. I just don't know. It's wide open space to the left, though. Yeah, this is going to be... Yeah, I'm not sure. I got to be honest with you, I'm not sure on that one. I want to sell it. Entry in this pair is key. Where are you going to put your stop, right? Where are you going to put your stop if you sell it here? Well, you got to put it at least above this 55. So you're at 67.90, 95. You're going to have to put your stop, right? Current price is 67.72. So you're 25 pips. You're going to give this for a shot. I really would like to see this pop up. I really would. I'd like to see this come up to the 6,800 area and take it from there, right? Yeah, I know. I know you all saying, William, but the 200 exponential moving average is right there. I know. I just don't think it's going to get over there. I don't think it's going to get over to that 200 exponential moving average. I think this area here, it's going to say, hey, we're done, right? And again, remembering that, this is all about the dollar, right? Well, there's some interesting levels here. Just thought I'd throw that out to you. Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens here. Trickier than I would expect. Why don't we do this? Why don't we just pop this baby on a fib? Just a small fib. Little fib. Let's pop this to a fib here. Oh, man. Yeah, you're looking at this 55, right? You're looking at 67.70 to pull back up to. We can take it to the downside, right? One, it's a level left of the chart. Two, you got the 55 exponential moving average with great angle to the downside. That to me looks like that would be the one to. Hey, Gary, friend of mine in the UK, saying hello. That looks like a move to the downside. So, yeah. Yeah. Interesting. Just interesting. Just watch yourself. Hey, what's the Aussie doing? Did the Aussie miss me the last 4 days? It has done nothing. Traders, look at this. I haven't touched this chart. This chart is what's from Wednesday. Have not touched this chart. It's done nothing. We're in the same spot we were before. Again, what are you going to do with this, right? Yes, I know we want to see this pop all the way back up to here, right? Take it from there. Yeah, I'm with you. Like the trade plan's not difficult. The problem is it gonna come out? I think we're probably better off doing one of these, right? 4-touch trend line, boom, bada bing, break it, retest it, maybe come down, wide open space. And first of all, we got some issues. Okay, one is we're going into uncharted territories. The other thing is that we're going to come down here to this 72.20. So we're going to get 20, 30 pips, and we're going to end up at that double zero at 7,200, right? So we're going to get a bounce there. Again, it looks like one of these trades where you're just going to have to watch it, right? If who knows? We're in Asia and it's not doing anything, right? So this is just what hasn't done anything for the last 5 days. So what difference? But it's not doing anything, and there's no Asia data coming up today. So yeah, this is a technical day on the Aussie, and that doesn't look interesting to me at all. At all. Euro yen, wow, that's really made a move to the downside. But I like it, looks like. If I'm correct, yeah. What about this, huh? All right, so, right? Sure, we want to get that up. We want to get that up there, pop that right there, take that to the downside. But I'm more about this right here, right? Could we get that? Could we get a scalp trade to the upside? Right? It's going to take out that. Maybe we got an entry here. 10 EMA underneath price. But wow, look at this. Look at this 55 EMA, folks. And that's at 128.25. Well, sometimes you got to just turn the other way. The issue here is by the time I get this up and run, it's going to be an hour, right? By the time it renders and all that stuff. And the problem here is we don't want this getting too far away from us now, right? This bounce off the 10 was nice. This was our entry candle. Where's your stop got to go? Your stop still's got to go down here, right? Stop still's down here at 128.85, right? So your stop's not going to change it. This looks like this might be having some trouble here. We'll see what happens. But I think this scalp move to this 200 is not a bad idea. This 55 is going to be a problem. We got a lot of junk left to the chart. But this is a wide open space. I like this. And, again, why don't we do that? Right? Bing. I don't know. We might be able to get up to this 128.40 area, right? 50% fib. You can see left of the chart there's a lot of junk. Looks like it'll be a resistance area. So maybe we can get up into there. No, I don't know. I sort of like it. I like it in both directions, to be honest with you. I don't want to sell it from here, though. It's not like the euro or the pound where I'm going to put a trend line on there and look for a retest. This, we're going to buy it, and that's it. I really don't want to sell it from here. I don't want to sell it from here. It was rejected at 127.80. Gee, another 80 number. But it was rejected at 121.80. I don't want to fight that again, right? So I want to either buy it or I'm going to wait till it gets up to that 126.50 area, and then we'll sell it again. That's what it looks like to me. Well, traders, that looks like about it for me on this Monday. Good to be back at the trading desk. Got a full week ahead. A lot of exciting stuff going on. Currently 7:10 in the morning. That'd be 19:10 on Wall Street on a Sunday night. How are my Knicks doing? Oh, they're at halftime. They were losing. That's not very nice. Oh, I forgot to expand this for you guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's 4 days without. Holidays. All right, traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard. Let's have a great trading day. And what's more important? Let's have a little bit more fun. Let's have some more fun after a 4-day holiday. Traders, have a great trading day. We'll catch you tomorrow morning. Take care now.